Hello everyone, I'm Amelia Liana and today I'm going to share with you this colourful lip look that I'm wearing now. It is really versatile and really wearable, so I hope you enjoy the tutorial. An absolute favourite foundation of mine is Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. This is a foundation I have loved for years and years and years. It just provides that absolute flawless, perfect skin base. You can see how easily it blends into my skin. It literally just gives that second skin look. You can barely tell that I'm wearing it, but it just evens out my skin tone, gives me more of a glow, and it lasts really beautifully on the skin as well. It has a really buildable coverage as well, so where I kind of want more coverage, like around my nose where I get a bit red, I kind of build it up there. For concealer, I'm using Giorgio Armani Power Fabric. This is a great one. As soon as this launched, I was totally obsessed with this. I have quite big under eye bags and this just helps counteract them, brighten up my whole face. I always do this a little bit around my nose as well, on my chin, and I get a bit red in between my eyebrows, so I'm putting that there too. And then I blend this out with a fluffy brush. It just instantly awakens my face. This concealer has such a great consistency. It doesn't settle in fine lines either, and it has a great staying power too. You can see, even though it's heavy coverage concealer, how easy it is to blend. It does blend within seconds. For bronzer, I want to keep it really simple. This is MAC Humour Me, and I just take that around my hairline to kind of contour my face a little bit and down my cheeks. This has a really great sort of ashy undertone to it, which does look like a second skin shadow. So if you're looking for something to give you a bit more contoured cheekbones, this is absolutely perfect. You can see that's just given me an instant sculpted cheekbone. This is the side that I've used the Humour Me Mineralized Blush. I haven't used it on this side, so you really can see the difference between the two. I'm just going to do the same on the other side now, kind of going along the natural hollows of my cheekbones. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of highlight. I want something to really lift my face, so I'm going to use this NARS powder in the colour Albatross. It has a really gorgeous golden sheen to it, and you can see instantly it picks up the light really beautifully. If you're kind of feeling tired or your skin is looking a bit lackluster, highlighter is definitely the way to go. And I just sweep that on the tops of my cheekbones. If I really want my foundation to last all day, I will go in with a setting powder. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter waterproof setting powder, so it really isn't going anywhere. So if you were going to pull an all nighter, you could definitely take this powder with you. You can see it does take down a little bit of the shine, but it just makes everything last all day and night. I don't want to take away any of the glow we just added with the NARS highlighter, so I'm just going to do that down the center of my face. This is a set I am totally in love with. This is a travel exclusive set from By Terry. You get 5 products in here. I absolutely love every single product in here. In particular, the Ombre Black Star in Bronze Moon, which is what I'm going to use on my eyes now. This is great because you just sweep it on your eyes really easily. It has a really creamy, blendable consistency, so you can just blend it out with your finger, and it is like a 3-second eyeshadow look. That looks really amazing, quite sophisticated, but it is just so easy and so foolproof. Because the nib is such a great shape, I can actually take that on my lower lash line really easily as well. It's a great way to define the lower lashes. For mascara, I'm going to use this Clinique Lash Power Mascara, which comes in this travel exclusive set of 3. It has a really fine brush, which means it's great to wiggle at the root of the lashes and get all those little hairs and really lift the lashes. You can see the before and after of mascara now. This is the before and this is the after. This mascara gives really long, defined lashes and they really lift my eyes. For brows, I'm going to use the Brow Master Sculpting Pencil from Bare Minerals. It has a little spoolie on one side to brush through the brows, and then on the other side of the pencil is the product, where I just draw tiny little lines right at the center of my brows, and anywhere else I feel like needs a bit more definition, like the arches. And then a great tip afterwards is to brush through the product just to blend it really evenly with the actual hairs using the spoolie. One of the most beautiful lipstick formulas is the YSL Rouge Volupté Shine. This is a beautiful berry shade called 85. What's really unique about these is you can really build them. You could have them as more of a stain if you wanted to, or you could have them as more of a high-powered pigment. So I'm just going to swipe this on my lip. You can see how pigmented it is. They are really balmy and really hydrating as well, so if you have dry lips, this would be a perfect option for you. Then for a little bit of added hydration, I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown Primer Plus. It is a hydrating 3-in-1 spray, which just a few spritzes over my face. Oh, wait for that to set in, it smells so good. And that is the finished look, so I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!